will be installing Havoc OS version 3.8 in our Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without any ado, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the official build of 17/8/2020 Havoc OS 3.0 build by Rutraj Kadam. So let's see some of the function of this OS. You can see my phone is running on Havoc OS. Let's go and see the setting. Let's go to about phone, Android version. As you can see, my phone is running on Android 10 with Android security patch is given August 5, build date, build number, kernel. So let's go and see the settings of this Havoc OS. Let's go to configuration center. Let's go to status bar, clock, logo, brightness control, double tap to sleep, network select, carrier label, icon style, battery percentage, many more. Go to quick settings. As you can see there, you can customize this room as you prefer. You can change it. Let's go to lock screen, double tap to sleep, error, vibration and other things. Let's go to ambient display, always on and other things. Let's go to button and navigation. Here you can go to power menu and switch on or switch off the advanced reboot, playback control, wake device and other things, haptic feedback, gesture. In gesture you get a swipe to screenshot by 3 finger like this. You get a screenshot. Notification, edge lightning, you will get a notification on the 2 sides of the screen with any other colors. Battery saving, screen, you can curve the edges of the screen. Media, miscellaneous, like you get gaming mode, like you can switch on the gaming mode. You can customize as per your need. Like learn, you can see the team and the Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group for the latest updates. I will give the link of the Telegram group in the description. Let's see other settings, like go to battery. As you can see, I have last charge 4 hours and it is giving you can see here, it is giving me a good battery backup. Go to display, dark theme is perfectly working. Let's go to security. You have option to face unlock, digital well-being, show your data like this. Let's go to system, like this. So this was the ROM which was running on Havoc OS 3.8. This is a very good ROM in which you can run game and other things. In this ROM the call is also working fine. I am using Jio, so see, you can call 198 and you can see it is perfectly working. So there is no problem in calling on other things. You can surely use it. See PUBG, in which high settings it can run. Let's go to setting, graphics. In smooth you can go up to extreme. In balance you can go up to extreme. In HD you can go to extreme and HDR. So for installing this Havoc OS in your Redmi Note 5 Pro, you have to download the file from the description box. So I have already downloaded. Let's see. Like go to files, I have kept in the internal storage, like you can see. For the other process, you have to install a custom recovery on your phone. Like I am using Orange Fox recovery. Let's see how to flash it. Let's switch off the phone. If you have switched on the advanced reboot mode, you can directly go to the recovery mode from here, like this. Like you can see, the phone is rebooted and it will boot into the recovery mode automatically. Like see, Orange Fox recovery project, like this. It has opened. The version I am using of the Havoc OS is 10.1.3 stable version. So let's go back. For installing, you have to go to Wipe, select Dalvik, cache system vendor data. You must not select the internal storage as because it will wipe the internal and all the data will be formatted. So select this, swipe to wipe. I will not swipe because I have already installed it. Like you have to go to files, search for the ROM, like I have installed, select it and swipe to wipe, and you will successfully install the Havoc OS in your phone. So yeah, this was the video. As you can see, you will successfully install the Havoc OS in your phone. Like see, this is the Havoc OS animation. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification to get the notification of my new video. So I will see you in the next video. If you have any queries about this phone, please do comment and ask in the comment section. I will surely try to reply to all the comments.